Okay, in this scaling question, this one is trying to address how power functions similar to this heart rate function as function of mass can be written in log form. So just to maybe start generally, if we think about power function is written in the form of y equals ax to the b. When we take the log of both sides of this expression, we end up with the log of y equals b times the log of x and plus the log of a, which is a linear expression. This is like we put the log of y on the y-axis, the log of x on the x-axis, the slope will be b, and then this coefficient will be related to the y-intercept. So if we have this this expression for the heart rate, if we take the log of both sides of this particular power function here, we can see the heart rate changes as a function of mass to a fixed power of -1/4, -0.25. So if I take the log of the heart rate, we should end up with a linear function minus 0.25 times the log of mass plus the log of 1151. And that's the coefficient. And that's why in this graph we can see that we have a slope of -0.25 times x, where x is the log of mass. So this x in the trend line is the log of mass in the x-axis. This y here is the log of the heart rate, which is what we have in this expression here. So this researcher that's done this experiment has carried out the same investigation, plotted the log-log graph, but forgot to include the base of the logarithm, determine the base of the logarithm. So the base of the logarithm, what will allow us to solve for that is the value of the intercept. So we know that the log of this quantity, this log of to some base, unknown base of 1151 is equal to 10.169. So that's where we start. So the log of some base, log of 1151 to some base is equal to 10.169, and that means that the base raised to 10.169 is equal to this 1151. So I know this base that we're trying to find raised to 10.169 is equal to 1151. So to find the base, I would raise both sides to 1 over 10.169 to leave us just with the base. So the base will be equal to 1151 raised to the power of 1 over 10.169. And if you do that on your calculator, you should find that this is equal to 2. So choice A being the correct answer. And again, this question in general is looking at the log-log form of power functions and how they relate to scaling relationships such as heart rate with mass.